This is how to get hair like Pedro Pascal. Today we're going to delve into everything you need to achieve the mid-length flow hairstyle, channeling the effortlessly charismatic and rugged vibes of Pedro Pascal. We'll walk you through what to discuss with your barber, which products to use, and how to nail the styling. If you're going for that laid-back style, this hairstyle is an easy one to pull off, even if you're not a well-recognized actor. So who is Pedro Pascal? An actor celebrated for his diverse roles, he has captivated audiences with his talent, charisma, and acting versatility. Known for his roles in Game of Thrones and The Mandalorian, Pascal embodies a rugged yet refined charm that extends to his effortlessly stylish locks. So say hello to the mid-length flow hairstyle that's bound to turn heads wherever you go. Here's the secret to pulling it off. Step 1. The cut. Pedro Pascal's signature mid-length flow hairstyle embodies effortless charm and natural texture. This style typically features longer hair that flows freely, enhanced by subtle layers for added dimension and movement. When you sit in the barber's chair, it's crucial to communicate your vision clearly. You'll want to maintain length, especially on top, aiming for around 4 to 6 inches. This length allows for the signature flow and movement that defines Pascal's style. Meanwhile, the sides and back can be trimmed shorter to create contrast and balance. Requesting layers is essential to enhance the natural flow and texture of your hair. Layers add dimension and movement, contributing to the relaxed yet polished look of the mid-length flow hairstyle. A skilled barber will incorporate subtle texturizing techniques such as point cutting or razor cutting to create a seamless and natural finish. These techniques help to enhance the overall look and ensure that the hairstyle looks effortlessly stylish. While the mid-length flow hairstyle has a relaxed vibe, regular maintenance is key to keeping it looking polished. Be sure to schedule trims every 4 to 6 weeks to prevent split ends and maintain the shape of the style, ensuring that you always look your best. Step 2. Styling. Styling Pedro Pascal's mid-length flow hairstyle is all about embracing simplicity to achieve a relaxed yet refined look. Here's a simple and effective styling routine to follow. Start with clean, towel-dried hair to provide a fresh canvas for styling. Next, apply a sea salt spray to give it some great volume, texture, and natural wave. With a few sprays into wet or damp hair, use your fingers to shape your hair, starting from the roots and working towards the ends. This technique helps create natural-looking waves and movement, adding to the effortless charm of Pascal's style. Allow your hair to air dry for a more relaxed finish, or use a diffuser attachment on a low heat setting to gently dry your hair while preserving its natural texture. This step helps set the foundation for your final look. Once your hair is dry, take the time to further define and separate the waves with your fingers. This additional styling step adds depth and dimension to your hairstyle, enhancing its overall appeal. If you're looking for a stronger hold, apply a styling cream for a natural finish. Distribute the product evenly throughout your hair, focusing on the mid-lengths and ends. You can also finish with a light hold hairspray for extra hold. The beauty of sea salt spray is you can use it as a standalone product with this hairstyle if you're after some natural waves and texture, or you can use it as a pre-styler for extra volume and hold. So there you have it. With the right length, cut, and styling techniques, you can effortlessly achieve the textured mid-length flow hairstyle that Pedro Pascal is known for.